Hi, my name is Julia, and I'm what you call a third culture kid. So I was born in England, raised in Africa, Asia, and Europe. So I was a former mathematics teacher for about 5 years. I came across a lot of students who struggled making the transition from geometry into algebra 2. Struggled mainly with, basic algebraic concepts. And it was difficult to build on those concepts without former knowledge. So what I'm creating is designed to tackle that. In addition to, and in case you're part of this group as well, those that are seniors that are going off to college and know you have to take college algebra. So I use a platform called Canva. I have no design experience, so Canva is very useful for me, and it's allowed me to create things along the way that I am super proud of. Like this in particular, I have designed this workbook to tackle that issue I was discussing earlier. It is called the Interactive Algebra Workbook, and it includes QR codes. Okay, so now that you've seen the cover, let's dive into the interior. So in the beginning, I have your table of contents. Then we lead into a prerequisite skills assessment. So I'm just going to quickly look at that. So it's just designed to assess your current knowledge. And each of these equations, I actually had to go through Microsoft Word to create. So I do want to take you through that process real fast. In order to add the equations that I have in Canva, what I do is I head over to Microsoft Word and I click on Control equal sign. Okay, that allows me to quickly enter an equation. Let's say I'm just creating a function for a quadratic. So I would type in f of x equals x to the power of 2, so squared. I would just raise that, plus 2x plus 7. This is something I just made up. Okay, all right. So then in order to get it over to Canva, I'm going to click Command Shift 5. That allows me to capture my screen. Then Command C allows me to copy it. Okay, so once you've copied that image, then you just want to head back to Canva. And let's say, since I've already created a bunch of these pages, I can just go ahead and duplicate something like this page, get rid of the former equation. Maybe I want to keep this type, solve, for this type of equation. Or, in fact, since it's a quadratic, I could just say factor. And then paste the image by clicking Command V, or I'm sure you could just click Control and then click on your mouse and then just paste. All right, so then you want to take that image and you want to go ahead and resize it for, well, in this case for my square, and then just place it centered in the square. So that is essentially what I've done for all of my pages, all 90 now pages. But of course, I don't need this page because I have already completed level 1. So this workbook leads you into level 2, level 3, and of course they get higher in complexity. So let's just go ahead and see it. So you can see all the pages. Okay, so I have all the way through statistics and probability, and we end with a final assessment. So as you can see here, I have begun on creating QR codes. However, I have not completed them because it's still taking some time. I'm still going through and making edits. So anyway, I hope you like this mini tutorial, and I plan on taking this workbook once it's complete and going through Amazon, KDP, printing out the copy and posting it online to be sold. Just an FYI, this book it's small, right? So it's small, it's compact, it's something easily portable. It's 4x6, and it should be an easy easy read. You just pull out and able to solve a couple problems and then check your answers in the back. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something from this little tutorial, and stay tuned for more.